So, hello everyone, welcome to the new video of our playlist. This is the fourth video of our playlist. So, in this video, we will learn about the Unreal Engine, its features, and mainly the blueprints here. So, first of all, let's start with the settings which are required for AR/VR development. Let's go to project settings and go to hardware target. So, it is unspecified, we have to keep it mobile and unspecified to scalable, and then we have to close the window. So now we can see if the scalability is low. So in some of your systems the scalability would be medium or high as per your specification. As per my specification, the engine scalability is very low and the medium quality is low. So let's start with this, and first of all we will see the outliner. There are various things in the outliner as we already discussed. We already discussed about the translation, the transformation, and the rotation of the objects. From here, from our keyboard, we can press select our object and press W to move it, E to rotate it, and R for rescaling it. So these are some shortcuts. We can also transform from here. Like if I want to transform it or scale it a whole in all the three directions, I can lock it and I can make it bigger. If I want to make it transform in a single direction, I have to make the lock disable and select the direction which I want to scale it. If I scale it here and if I lock it and I increase the amount, so it will scale the whole thing. So it is very easy. So now I can rotate it. I can also change the direction in any direction. Okay. So this is the basic, and we have to see the file structure of the Unreal Engine. Here it is, content drawer. So let's start with the all folder. Here the engine stuff, the all codes, the plugins are here, and the another our content is here. Whatever is in this scene, it is available in this content folder. And let's go to VR template. We are in VR template, so there is a folder VR template. In VR template, there are various folders. There is one folder map. So we are right here in a level map. So you can see this is a map. If I open this, so it will ask me to save. I will save it, and this is the same level map that we were in. We can also create new maps. We will see it later. So first of all, we can clear all the stuff which are in this template for understanding easily. We will do the new template later. So let's go remove all the things. In the last, I will remove all the things, and in the last, I will tell which things you don't have to remove. You have to remove all the walls. You can press shift and click here. You can select all the walls. You can delete it. You can delete this as we don't need this now. You can delete all the cubes. You can delete all the grab object. You can delete the pistols. You can delete on the mesh no teleport bound. You can delete light mass important. You can delete fire cube. You can delete the roof. You can delete the point light. You can delete reflections, wall, table, and the text renderer. So these are all the files which you have to keep. Now you will see there are some reflection, there are some lights. For turning this off, we have to go to settings, project settings, and we have to write static light. So we have to untick this and it will ask for restart. You have to restart now. And if selected, you have to wait for a few minutes and it will build the shaders. So now it is building the shaders. The loading has completed, so now you can close this and now you can see all clear things. So what does this mean? This is the bidirectional, this is the directional light where the light comes from. This is the floor on which we stand. This is the nav mesh bound volume. It means this is the volume, which means it interacts with the debug line. Whenever we press the button, it goes to this mesh. So we can also press P to see that what is the floor where we can teleport on. So we can again click on P to escape from that. This is the player start. This is the player start from which the player is started from the game is started. This is the cast nav mesh, which is not needed, and the skylight, the sky sphere. So basically, it is the sphere. It is a big sphere which acts as a whole world. If we see the world, it looks like a sphere, so it gives an illusion of the real world. So now let's start with again going to the VR surface. So we can move in this. So there is something I would like to tell you that if you want to focus on something, you can press on that object and you can just press F. It will focus on that. If I want to focus on the large sphere, which is a sky sphere, it gives us an illusion that we are in the world, but it is just a sphere. So here the sky sphere, we can press F and you can see that this is the sphere where we are in. So again, with the F, we can focus on the roof, pressing the play start, we can see this. So now we will make our, so now we will make our own level. For that, we have to make a new folder. Let's name it level. Let's name this level. Open it and right click, add level, name it demo, and we will start. Save it. So this is the empty level. Here is nothing. You can see there is nothing in the outliner. So we will go to Windows and we will go to Environment Light. Sure. Then add create star, sky, create directional light, create atmosphere, volumetric cloud, and fog. So we can see the cloud here, but we can't see a sphere. For that, we have to add it from all and just click on BP Sky Sphere. Just click on this. So now we can see this. It is not looking good, so we have to make the direction light actor, which is none here. We have to select our directional light. This. So now we can explore here. This is our level. So now let's go. Let's add a player start here so we can get the player ready here. Let's add uh, basics and player start. So we will keep the player start at 0, so it will be easier. Now it is at 0. Players. All the things are at 0, so we will select other things and keep them away. And now our play start is at 0. So we will test with our play start what we see in the VR. We can see we can move our rotation with the left hand, we can see the world is the sun. We can't teleport anywhere because we didn't add anything. So now let's add the floor. To add floor, we have to just click on here and add basics. Add shapes, that is cube. This is the cube. Now what we have to do? We have to keep it here. I can use this as so I can scale in this direction. Can scale them in this direction with help of R. I want to scale down in the Z direction, so I will go here and it is already unlocked, so I will press this to this much and keep it to 0 and all to 0. So here is a clear start. Now we can see a clear here. So our cube is white in color. We have to change the color by going to general and selecting the cube and going to general and going to materials. Change this material to uh, prototype grid. This is here. Now we will save it and I will add uh, bound, name mesh bound from volumes, name mesh bounds. Here this I can zoom out, keep the location to 0. I will also select this and scale it into direction like this. Then save it. Then I can zoom in. I can see it here. I can make it small by just keeping it small and then saving it. I can see the floor where I can teleport by pressing P. So it is the floor where I can teleport. Control X, then again P to remove it. Then now we will go to VR. I can see this. I can teleport. So the basic functionality we have made. And now we will discuss about the blueprints. So what is blueprint? Blueprint is the foundation of Unreal Engine development. So we can make a blueprint. First we will make blueprint and I will tell what is a blueprint. We have to make a class. This is blueprint class. Then we have to select which class we want to make it. This is actor class. So actor is to which we interact. We will add an actor. Let's name it test. Save it and double click to open it. So this is the editor of the blueprint. First is viewport and this is event graph. So this is a built-in event graph which goes linearly. So let's add something here. Let's add a cube. Cube is added, then we have to press save and compile. So this is the blueprint of a cube. So I can put the blueprint here. So the blueprint is here. I will place it at 00. Hmm. Now what to do? I have to go to the blueprint to make it interactable. So first of all, what will I do? I will remove the blueprint from here. I will open the blueprint and then I will add if add another functionality, that is event. This is another functionality. So this is the event begin play. Whenever the event plays, it will happen. So I will first tell you about printing. So first print. So print the text. What is text? I have to print hello. And here is the other stuff. I want it to be for 10 seconds. I will keep it. So I will save it, compile it. Let's keep. If I want to test the print function, I can just shift it from viewport, VR preview to viewport, as we do not want it on VR for now. Nothing happened. I can also use simulate, so I can see the whole editor as well while using this. So simulate, but nothing happened. Mhm. So what will I do? I will have to add this blueprint here. Then it will see. Then we will see that the print command will be followed here. So I will simulate. So see here, hello. So stop this, and now again we can edit the blueprint from here also. Now I want to add another print. So I will print here. So what is this? This is the node. We can print hello, then hello here. So what will happen? It will print hello and hello again. If I want some delay, so I can delete it, and I can right click and add delay and add it here and connect this from here to here and here to here. I want delay of 2 seconds. Then I will save it. I also want say hello again to be 10 seconds. Then again I will press save and compile. Now I will open and simulate. If I simulate hello, then it will wait for 2 seconds, then hello again. After 10 seconds, these both will go. So what it does the work is sequentially. So I can also add debug lines or debug cubes. So first of all, I will tell you how to add debug lines. First, I will make it 2 and also make it 2 seconds. So I can move by right clicking and dragging it. I can zoom it by the scroller, and if with one right click, all the actions come. So while dragging this, I can like draw uh we can draw a sphere, debug sphere. So it's here. Its coordinates are this. Its radius is this. We want duration of 5 seconds and thickness as 2, and then compile. So we can see from here similarly hello, then hello again, and after 2 seconds, for 5 seconds this will appear. So this is the basic functionality of the blueprint. We can add more functionality like first edit the blueprint, So if I want to move something, I can change its world offset. So I want to change the position of cube. So I will add offset, and we have already continued the node, so it is already showing us cube. We can also drag this cube from here. So it is the same cube. So now we want it to shift in the direction with 300. So I can save it and compile it and just simulate. So after hello, after then it is changed. So we have seen the basic implementation of the blueprint. Now I will tell you about adding a grabbable object. So we can add a new blueprint that is sector. Like I'm naming it grab, opening it. I can add here a static mesh, the sphere, save. I can change material from here. I will tell you how to make material in this video only. Okay, so this is a sphere. Now I have to add a grab button. I can add it by using it here and grab component. Just add grab component here in sphere and save it. Now I would be able to grab this hole here. I can also make it small. If you want to simulate physics, then we can open this and we can go to viewport and see this. We can select this and we can add simulate physics. Save it and compile it. Now I will tell you how to make materials. I will right click on material. I want to make a blue color ball. I will make it blue. Enter it. Change base color to blue, light blue, and press OK. The color will be changed to blue. If I want its roughness to be like plastic, I will press 0. I click 0. I can also add emission of white color by OK and save it. I can add emission of blue color. Save it. And I can save it. Skip it, and I can just just add materials from here to blue and save it. Now it will be blue if I simulate this. Now I will change this to 300 again so we can see in the VR. I will save this, compile this, and I will also change the color of our sphere. I can copy it by duplicating it. I will change the color to green and open this. I will change emissive color to green. Press OK. I will also change the base color. It does not change, but it will be good if I change the both colors. We'll save it. I will. Now I will go to edit grid and go to viewport, click on this and add thin code and save it. Escape, this is green color. Now save it. Now I will open this on VR. Go to VR preview. I can see that up there. I can also teleport. Can also play with this ball. Like this is available now. I can play. I can also make it bouncy by changing the physics behind it. You can throw it. So this is the basic blueprint implementation of the Unreal Engine. We will see further hand tracking and other things in the next videos.